Oligario drives it in. Oligario, ball away, basket. Oligario drives, left. Number one, winning the ball. Oligario drives it in, lays it. Yes, sir. Oligario lays it. Yes, sir. And a pass. Oligario fires on three. Yes, Oligario 3 points. Out to Sungwan, fires from the downtown. Yes, Sungwan 3. Sungwan. Fire the pass. Sungwan, tira ulit ng play. Sugok, tira ulit ng play. Pinasa. Sungwan. 2 points. The wearing jersey number 17 is there to be nasa tabahin. Nice and down. Mujo space. Mujo spins. Pass. Yes. Nice spins. Sungwan. Drive. Drive pass. Mujo for the ball. Jersey number 18. Second to shoot. On there. Pumana save. Pumana fires. Yeah! Rebound behind. Reverse. Wow! Sabi behind. Ano ba bang ginagawa niyo? Mga bata. Init pa kayo? Alright, ito na tapik. Pomera to Sungwan. Left-handed layup for 2 points. Isberto. Pull up a 3. Yes, Isberto. Nice steal. At Munoz. Loses handle. Atacador recovers. Drop basket tabahin. Yes, sir. Sarmiento to Isberto and a pass. Eto si Mejos. Binasa. Tabahin. Short jumper. Basket.
16-second shot clock.
Munoz. Pomera. Spins. Stolen. Isberto. Pasa. Lays in Mejos. Basket. And there's a foul. And a pass to Mejos. Drives in the corner.
16-second shot clock.
It's stolen by Oligario. Warriors number 1. Oligario stops. Teardrops. Yes, sir. Oh, fires on 3. No good. Rebound. Ayan, Sarmiento lays in. Yes! And I still. Ito ngayon si Isberto wearing jersey number 17. Isberto Pinasa tabahin. Lays in. Yes!
15-second shot clock.
Munoz fakes. Munoz spins. Fires. Yes!
10 seconds to shoot.
Sarmiento drives. Inside pass. Yes! Quaresma for 2 points. Inside pass. Dahil si Leonte. And a pass. Ito nga si Oligario. Lays in. Yes, sir. Isberto. Munoz kay Mejos. Loses the handle. Labo rin po meron din nasa kay Oligario. Lays in Oligario. Basket. In.
10 seconds to shoot.
Isberto fakes. Fires from the triple B. Yes! Isberto 3.
10 seconds to shoot.
Pomera. Out to Sungwan. Fires from the downtown. Yes! Sungwan 3 points.
15-second shot clock.
Nasa kay Munoz. Drives. Drop pass. Atacador fakes.
10 seconds shot
Atacador
clock.
from the baseline. Yes, sir. Pomera to Munoz. Munoz fakes. Drives it in. Nasa kay Victoria. And a pass. Oligario. Fires on 3. Yes! Oligario 3 points. Workers number 1. Oligario. Crossover. Oligario. Kick out. Sungwan. Fires on the downtown. No good. Rebound. Ito na yung pass break play. Mejos. Lays in. Yes.
Foul.
Victoria from the baseline. Reverse. Yes. And a pass Oligario. Where goes the number 1? Dribbling the ball. Oligario drives. Lays in. Yes. Atacador. Naagawan. And naman si Oligario. And a pass. Castellano. Foul. Away from the ball. And si Castellano. Drives it in. Lays in Castellano. Yes, sir. Iwan ako ng Victoria na pass.
Last 45 seconds.
Oligario Lysen. Yes, sir.
40 seconds. 10
And
seconds.
pass. Nice steal. Ito si Munoz.
20 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Last 15 seconds shot clock.
Sugad to Victoria. Victoria spins. Out to Sugad. Fires on three. Yes, Sugad. Three. Alam ka na Fumera pass it to Sugad. Back to Fumera. Drop pass kay Sugad. Reverse. And count. And one. Bas. Fumera. Castellano. Hermas. Sugad. Tira ulit na tres. Yes! Sugad. Three points. And dribbles. Pasa. Mels on three. Yes! Mels. Where goes the number 12? Pasa kay Victoria. And a pass. Munoz. Titira na tres. Yes! Munoz. 3 points.
3 seconds to shoot.
Fumera from the corner. Yes, sir. Wala. And a rebound. Napunta pa rin kay Mesa. Ganun Ligaria. Labas sa Fumera. Solo flight. Racing for 2 points. Munti ka na. CBA recovers. Fumera loses the handle. Pasa. Ito na si Oligario. First from the downtown. In and out. And rebound. Alam mo naman Fumera. Oligario. Yes!
10 seconds to shoot.
Berto inside pass. Naagaw na naman. Ito na si Oligario. Racing. Yes, sir.
Oligario.
Number 17, pasa kay Mels.
15 seconds shot now.
Fires from the downtown. Yes, it's Berto. 3 points. Wearing jersey number 24, a pass dribble. Pinasa kay Quaresma. Quaresma spins. Slice in. Yes. Wearing jersey number 12.
15 seconds shot time.
Fumera drives. Slice in. Yes, sir.
Clock.
Esberto fakes.
10 seconds
dribbles.
shot.
Esberto lays in. No good. Rebound. Nakuha ni Atakator. Fakes and fires. Yes, sir. Fumera pinas sa loob. Onde. Yes. And Fumera, where goes the number 12 out of basketball? Fumera drives. Lays it. Okay. No basket.
1 second to shoot.
Fumera, critical jumper, basket. Yang shot na ulo, bago pa rebound. Kada sa bugok, dalam konde. So, 3 points. 1, great more. Oligario drives it in. Oligario, far away, basket. And that's Castellano, corner 3. Yes, Castellano, 3 points. Well, goes to number 17, the pass. The pass of the score for 2 points.
15 seconds shot time.
And it's Oligario drives, lipad layup. Yes, sir. Using the glass for 2 points. Castellano to Suwad. Well, goes to number
10 seconds to shoot.
Suwad, corner 3, now was Bondrag for 2 points. Back to Bihar, and a pass.
15 seconds shot
Is
clock.
a pass, Sabahin. Reverse, yes. El Senador Pinasa, Orculio fires from the downtown. Yes, Orculio through line. So, one dito pumasok kay rebound. Victoria Lacy, basket. Ito sa Tabahin, pasa. Orculio 3. Yes, Orculio back to back. Still, ito sa Orculio. Foul. On the dribble. Moreno. Oligario. No good. Rebound. Ito ngayon. Ang pass break. Orculio Lysen. Yes! Wow, that was the play. Nice steal. So one. Drives. Drop pass. Bundok for 2 points. And so Oligario wearing jersey number 1, dribbling the ball. Oligario drives it in, lays in, yes sir!
30 seconds.
Munoz, right, slicing, yes. Meron sa Munoz, wide si number 1, team nasa. So 1, 2 points. 1 nasa. Andres, yes, so Julio 3. Ito si 1, 10 seconds to spins. Takes the bars, yes sir. 26. Nasa, Mejos, Lacey, yes sir. Ngayon si Sarmiento, pasa tapahin, Lacey, yes sir. Orgullo. Ito si Onte. Onte Border si number 88.
10 seconds to shoot.
Onte. Basket count and foul. Ayun, si Munoz. Baseline jumper, yes.
10 seconds to shoot.
Inside, Quaresma for 2 points. Ayan si Ligario, yes sir. This is number 14, dribble the ball. Bihar, Binasa, Meo slicing, yes. Napunta ka sa
10 seconds to shoot.
Sarmiento drive, slicing, yes. And that's it, Munoz, Binasa, Oligario, versus number 1, Oligario Waves, Binasa, Victoria, and that's slicing, yes sir. It's Berto to Sarmiento, Warriors number 1, Sarmiento zigzag, Lacey, there's a foul and 1. Completed the 3-point play, Victoria, pass to 1, takes, dribbles,
5 seconds to shoot.
nice steal, and on the Girls Warriors number 34, Masters, away from the ball. Number 16, blocking offensive, wearing jersey number 16. Substitution. Basasing. Ayun na si Bihar. Pass it to Quaresma. Inside pass. Atacador fakes and fires. Yes, sir. Nasay. Ito si Meos. Turn around jumper. Now good. Rebound Bihar. Reverse. Wow! What a shot to Bihar. Time out. 2 minutes. Romero drives, with contact, yes sir. Time out. Mejos.
10 seconds to shoot.
Mejos drives. Nabitawan.
10 seconds to shoot.
There's the Pumera. Stops the fire from Belo, yes sir. And pass, Sarmiento. Sarmiento drives, Binasa. Orgullo, pass to Berto. Fires from the downtown. Yes, it's Berto. 3 points. 1 minute to play.
10
Pumera.
seconds to shoot.
Pumera saves. Pumera fires. Yes.
Yes.
Fakes. Pasa. Orgullo fires from the downtown. Air ball.
Yes, 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 20
Orgullo
seconds.
buwan sa gitna, please. 3 points.
Last time.
Okay. Infanta. Ang panalo. Okay, dito sa ulit po tayo.